Hi there! Let's make spicy tuna pasta bake. Let's get started. Bring water to a boil, add a pinch of salt, then add the pasta. Cook it only for half the time reported on the packet, as we will keep cooking it in the oven later. Next, finely chop a clove of garlic. And pit 60 grams of olives. You can use pre-pitted olives if you prefer. Then, cut 100 grams of mozzarella into thin slices. It's time to prepare our sauce. Add 240 grams of tomato sauce in a clean bowl, a can of tuna in brine, the olives, 2 pinches of chili flakes, two pinches of oregano, a few capers, the chopped garlic, and finish off with 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Mix all the ingredients together, add in the half-cooked pasta and give it a nice stir. Now we will assemble our baked pasta into oven-proof dishes. Brush the bottom of the dish with oil to prevent sticking. Continue by creating layers of pasta and mozzarella. Keep the mozzarella in between layers of pasta to get a delicious oozing center. Top it off with some parmesan and place the dishes in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. You've made it! Serve it hot and enjoy the molten mozzarella heart. Hi there! Thanks for watching this to the end. If you like what you saw, please help us grow our channel by subscribing, liking and sharing the video.
You can follow the link in the description to see the recipe step by step, to read about its nutritional properties and more. You will also be able to adjust the servings and measurement unit to your needs, making it super easy to cook this at home.
Thank you and have a great day!